I'll start the video also.
But you.
Yeah, I'll take the right first.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Yes, because it's so rare, so.
Asuntoskeyhtiö Hakolahdentie 1 in Lauttasaari, Helsinki. Staircase B. 5th floor lights is too dim but still working. All lights are working.
All lights, perfect. We can do it for me after.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start the video now. I took some pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, today it's the 21st of September 2022. This is very amazing affair. It's here in Hakolahdentie. This Jyväskylä one stick is B. You can also watch the stick is A here, but here the lights are working, so this is even more amazing than the stick is A. Still computer original today. It's here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Helsingfors, and Finland. Possibly the best ones here in this district.
Yeah.
Because they have a window, and also Hakolahdentie has one Valmet, but it doesn't have windows. So these are even more amazing,
yeah.
I think. But also very amazing. Built in 1959, turned 60 years old in 2019. The number is V144. It's going to be set next year, 2023. And definitely deserves 3 rides. And a view of the lamp indicator afterwards, because all lights are working here.
Yeah. Inspirert vai escutar meteen pasilla.
It's also one of the very best elevators in our capital.
Yeah.
There's the alarm bell on the top floor. Strange.
Yeah.
I love the sounds on this fan.
Same here.
Well, let's get the view of the lamp.
That's